Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete beginner tutorial on how to buy stocks using Webull, step by step. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple investing guides just like this. Now, let's get started. So first, open the Webull app and log into your account. Once you're inside, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see market news, watch lists, and trending stocks. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1. Search for a stock. At the top of the app, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type the name or ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. For example, you can search for Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Once you find the stock, tap on it to open the stock page. Step 2. Review the stock. Before buying anything, take a moment to look at the stock chart, price movement, and basic information. Webull gives you charts, news, and community insights so you can understand what's happening with that company. This step is important because you should never buy a stock blindly. Step 3. Tap Buy. Once you're ready, tap the Buy button. You'll now be taken to the Order screen where you can set up your investment. Step 4. Choose your order type. Webull allows different order types like Market Order, buy immediately at current price, or Limit Order, buy only at a specific price. If you're a beginner, Market Order is usually the simplest option. Step 5. Enter the amount. Now decide how much you want to invest. Thanks to fractional shares, you don't need to buy a full stock. You can start with small amounts like $5, $10, or $20. Just enter your amount or number of shares. Step 6. Confirm your purchase. Double-check everything: stock, amount, and order type. Then, swipe or tap Confirm Buy. That's it. Your order is now placed, and you officially own part of that company. Step 7. Track your investment. After buying, go to your Portfolio section. This is where you can see your profits, losses, and overall performance over time. You can also add the stock to your watch list for easy tracking. Now let's talk about a few important things beginners should keep in mind. Buying stocks is easy, but making smart decisions is what really matters. Quick tips: always research a stock before buying. Don't rely on hype. Start small while you're learning how the market works. Use limit orders if you want better control over price. Don't panic when prices go up and down. It's normal. Focus on long-term investing, not quick profits. Diversify your portfolio instead of putting everything into one stock. Use watch lists to stay organized and track ideas. Avoid emotional buying based on news or social media trends. So, that's a complete beginner guide on how to buy stocks using Webull. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.